The TDI X is the ultimate trading view indicator. It is made up of RSI, moving averages, and volatility bands, which help traders analyze the markets and have deeper insight into the sentiments and to find incredible entries. We can use this indicator in two different ways. We can use it for reversal trades or continuation trading. But some of its best features are focused on finding the perfect entry and exit points using our money flow system, which allows you to understand the money flow in the market, and for finding these perfectly timed reversals. The TDI X is basically the traditional TDI on steroids. We've added so many new features and tweaks to make this indicator function at a higher level. These are some of the features we've added. We've added shark fins, which show you when reversals are going to occur. We've got super shark fins, which are like one of the best signals you can get, which shows you a high probability of a reversal occurring. We've got bearish divergences, bullish divergences, which are also reversal signals, as well as this flow of money, letting you know when supply is entering the market or demand. We've also created these overbought and oversold bands, which light up when price is going into oversold, overbought regions, which is a fantastic indication. Super shark fins is when you get this white RSI and it breaks out of the volatility band. These show a high probability of reversal occurring, and it prints a red dot or a green dot on your chart. We also got standard shark fins, which just let us know when the RSI breaks out of the volatility band, and then it highlights green or red, letting you know this is an opportunity to start looking for a reversal. The TDI X is a companion tool that we use in combination with our main indicators, such as Trend X and Indicator X. But you can trade with it alone if you follow a specific strategy, which I'm going to be revealing to you at the end of this video. So stay till the end. I'm going to show you a basic strategy that you can use to start winning in the market using the TDI X. We've got the money flow, which shows when the demand is leaving the market or when the supply is coming into the market. This lets you understand what is happening from a money flow perspective, and it can give you a massive upper hand in analyzing the chart correctly. We've got our divergence signals. If you don't know what divergences are, it's when we have a discrepancy from price and the oscillator. So price goes up, oscillator goes down, we get a signal printed, a sell sign or a buy sign printed. This lets you know that you can start looking ready to get into a fantastic trade. Divergences let us know high probability trades are building up. We got candle color signals. We get a candle coloring that happens on the charts. This is also another confirmation signal to start getting into your trades. And one of the newest features we've added is the overbought and oversold functionality. So when price comes into an overbought region, it highlights red. If it comes into an oversold, it highlights green. This lets you know that price is coming into a zone where buyers and sellers are going to start becoming more active. So this is when you want to get ready. Let me take you on the charts now and show you how to trade with the TDI X. All right, we're on the chart now, guys, and I'm looking at a token, PopCat USDT. It is a crypto coin, but you can use the TDIX to trade any asset, crypto, stocks, forex, indices. It doesn't matter what it is. If it has a chart, you can trade it with this tool. So if we look on the chart here, if I just open the TDIX, you can see all our features we've got here. This over here is a super shark fin. You can see we got our dots and we got this white RSI line breaking out of the Bollinger bands. It also has a very sharp shaped V. When we get this triangular V being formed, this is a high signal that a reversal will occur. If we go look on the charts over here, you can see price came into this region right over here and we got a nice reversal. And we would have made 6% of that trade, which is absolutely fantastic. If we keep going down, you can see another shark fin over here, very jagged shark fin, another shark fin over here. It's a very nice shark fin. We've got divergences over here. If we look on the chart, you can see this shark fin was incredible, guys. Look at this. This shark fin shot up 34%, absolutely amazing. And then we get a divergence occur over here and price drops 8%. We get another shark fin happening in this region over here, get another shark fin happening over here, and price drops 12%. Then we get ourselves a super shark fin over here. Look at this super shark fin come to the chart and we get ourselves a big movement happening, 17%. Fantastic. Here we go. Another amazing shark fin over here. And this was a massive move, 20% move you would have caught there, guys. So you can see this is our primary focus, is we use these shark fins, but the basis is that we're just looking for these reversals, whether they're divergences or we're looking for these shark fins over here, or these super shark fins. These are letting us know price is going to reverse, guys. Price does not move in a straight line. You can see it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. So how do we time these swings when they start changing directions? That is where the TDI X becomes one of your favorite tools. There is many ways to use the TDI X. It has so many different functionalities, and you can customize it to your trading style. If you look at the top here, we've turned on only the money flow. So you can have the money flow open and you can have the TDI X open at the same time, and you can observe money flow. When is there supply? When is there demand coming into the market? You can understand, like here, you can see it's very green. Lots of demand in the market. Here you go. You can see it's getting very red over here. Lots of supply in the market. So there's more features than you actually need, but some will like one feature over the other. And we've designed it in a way where each trader can develop their own unique trading style with this tool. Now that you have a good understanding of how the TDI X works, I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use for success. This strategy involves using two time frames, a higher time frame and a lower time frame. Higher time frame will be for your bias and lower time frame will be for your entries. In this example, my higher time frame is going to be a 1 hour and my lower time frame is going to be a 5 minute. But you can change these time frames depending on your trading style. This will be more of a scalping strategy. But if you are a swing trader or mini swing trader, then just change the time frames. So start looking at a higher time frame like a 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour, 1 day, and then your entry time frame will be like a 15 minute or a 30 minutes. But the strategy will stay exactly the same. The only difference will be the time frames that you use. Step number 1 is higher time frame bias. So if you look at the TDI X over here, just pay attention to this middle line. Can you see this middle line that moves here? If we open up the settings, you can see it is called the middle band. The middle band is helping us understand the sentiment of the market, and it acts as this dynamic line that tells you when the market's going to bearish or bullish environments. If the white RSI is on top of that line, we're only looking for buys. If it breaks below it, then we're only looking for sells. So first we come onto our higher time frame and we observe this over here. So for instance, what we do is we wait for this moment. You can see this white RSI is above the middle band over here. And this is precisely the point where we're going to start looking for our long entries. If we look at the chart over here, you can see this would have been the primary time where we understand price is going into a bullish trend. Then all we do at that point is we jump onto a 5 minute time frame. And we're going to start looking for our entries on the 5 minute. This line over here is that exact signal we received on the higher time frame bias that the white RSI line was crossing above the middle line. This means we're looking for bullish trades only at this point. And then what we want to do is we come onto the 5 minutes, and all we're going to do on the 5 minutes, we're going to look for bullish shark fins. You can see we've got one there, we've got one here. That is all we're going to do. You can see we've got one here, we've got one here. Let's look at the chart now. So you can see, guys, look at this. Here we go. This would have been our first bullish shark fin. And look at this. Oh my God, look at this. We got a huge move here. 29%. That's massive. Here was a secondary one. We got a little one over here. This would have still been a decent move. 4%. That's still a fantastic trade, guys. 4%. Here's another one we could have taken. 2.3%. Fantastic. Here's another one we could have taken. Some of them will yield higher results than others, but we can still take a piece of the market. We can still make profits using this strategy. And we keep going. We keep going. And you can see over here, what we're going to look for, guys, we're looking for shark fins, and we're also looking for divergences. So there's a divergence that we could have taken right over here, would have been our entry, and this would have been a fantastic trade. 4%, fantastic. We keep going. Here would have been another shark fin or a super shark fin that we would have taken right over here. This one, we would have only got 1%. We would have actually lost that trade, but that is okay, guys. Losses are going to happen. You're going to lose in your trades, and you have to learn to become a good loser as well as a good winner. And we go to the next one. Here we go, another nice shark fin, and look at this. Enter over here, 3% trade, fantastic. Keep going. Another shark fin. Ooh, this is a very nice one. You can see this one was 6%. So we got a shark fin. Our entry would have been right over here. Nice 6% trade. Keep going. All I've done is I've gone into my high time frame. I've determined when price has gone into a bullish trend, and I've come onto the lower time frame, and then I'm looking for these reversal swings. If you look at price, it does not move in a straight line. It moves up and down, and we get these swings. So we want to figure out, when are these swings going to occur? Because these swings become our best entries. And that is why we use the TDI X, because it shows us when these swings and these reversals are going to take place. So I'll quickly recap the strategy. You come to the higher time frame. You can see I'm on the 1 hour over over here. I come onto the TDI X. I look for a place where the white RSI has gotten above this middle line. This is where it captures above over here, and here it gets above over there, or here's a definitive one where it gets above. So this can be a very nice one. Then you mark out that level, and from that level onwards, you're going to look for only long positions until it crosses below again, which is over here. And then you stop looking for longs and you can start looking for short positions. We're basically aligning our entries on the lower time frame with what is happening on the higher time frame. If we come onto the chart now, you can see from this point, oh, look, we've got a massive move. So say I come onto the 5 minute now, and I'm going to look for our entries. This is the exact point on the 1 hour time frame where we start getting price going into that bullish trend. So from this point onwards, I'm only looking for bullish shark fins on the 5 minute time frame. Here's a bullish shark fin, here's a bullish shark fin, here's a bullish shark fin, for instance. Come onto the chart and you can see this would have been my first entry. This would have been a fantastic entry. Look at that 30% we would have caught there. Every time we get a shark fin becomes another entry. This one would have been fantastic. Look at that, another 8%. Divergence over here, this would have been another one. And then at this point, we would have stopped looking for our longs because we know on the higher time frame, the RSI line has dipped below the middle line. So now we're only looking for shorts. And you can see every time we get a red shark fin, we look for our short entries. Also want you to keep in mind that the TDI X is a companion indicator that we use in combination with a leading indicator. And that is how we teach it in our group. You can, however, use it the way I've shown you now in this strategy to be able to understand the sentiment of the market and get a deeper insight into what the asset is going to do and whether it's in a bullish or bearish environment. If you want to learn more about this strategy or this indicator, click on the link below to find out more. You can get access to our group. You can get access to all our indicators. You can get access to our scanning app that helps you find the best coins to trade. We offer live trading every single day, live training every single week. We have hundreds of hours of training teaching you exactly everything you need to know how to master these indicators and become successful in the markets.